Hi guys, in front of me is Realme C55 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume up button. So just hold both buttons together, keep holding. Just a few more seconds, and once you feel the vibration you can release the buttons, both of them, and wait till your phone is rebooted. Then you will be able to use it again in the normal way. And that's it. Now you need to provide your lock screen password and you can smoothly use your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.